Today we're exploring Myrtle Beach State Park, and honestly, I didn't know there was so much to do here. Welcome back to another Curly Q family adventure. Now we always start with the map so we can see everything we want to explore today. And our first stop is going to be Myrtle Beach State Park. But stay tuned because we're going to be heading over to Huntington Beach as well to see the alligators at the end. They had a great trail walk towards the Nature and Activity Center, and it was filled with all these little learning moments.
Sounds like cheeseburger, or tea kettle, cheeseburger. Baka! Oh, another one. What? We hear that one now? What does you think he is?
Chickadee. The chirp like a chickadee.
Chip
Nope.
says
Chickadee.
My kiddos love being outdoors, so all of these little sprinkled in activities they absolutely loved. Did you spot all the birds? He's massive.
1, 2, 3. Will. 3. 1, 2, 3.
It's little, buddy. It has little polka dots on it.
Wait, I see it. What's in that book?
oh, that's the owl.
Where is the owl? Where is it?
He's not in the tree. This is talking about right here. It says, see, it says,
Most journals come out at night.
you know, Rachel, she likes to make sound.
Who cooks for you? Who cooks for all? Oh, it looks like they have the campground over there. Oh, that's cool. The Nature Center is always a crowd favorite for this crew.
Okay.
Look at the peanut butter, Wesley. They put peanut butter on there. Right here.
Right there, there's peanut butter on it.
See on that stick?
For the
It's
birds.
hanging there.
That's cool.
I told you all the spare parts left here. Shot.
Okay, Wesley, keep our hands to ourselves because we don't know what's.
So they have daily activities, so that's fun.
Maybe that was inside.
Wesley, here, baby.
What's in there? What's in here? What's in here?
I hope you.
This is nasty.
He does match it. Oh, I see him.
One behind the chair.
Hey, dude. Oh, and he's behind the chair. There he is.
Crab.
Yep, what is it?
A crab.
Striped honey crab.
What is it? That's this.
That was a big fish that you saw down there.
Okay.
You see the croaker?
What's that red one? That red one is right here.
Yeah.
It's the Atlantic croaker.
He hit his nose on the top of the tank. That's why
Now
it's red.
him is right
Scared
here.
Justin. I heard
Jump with the jump out.
Lily hit the
Hey.
Oh no.
Oh look. Okay. I got it, Mom.
You see him.
Fluffy tail rat.
Buddy. Question. I can't read because I'm wearing glasses.
Oh no! And Mom was about to kiss me.
He's gonna kiss you.
Granny's got a question for you.
Gray color of my fur comes from the bands of brown, black, and white in each individual hair. From a distance, I look gray. What animal am I?
No, what is he? He's squirrel.
A gray squirrel.
What is that?
That is a snake skeleton.
What's that?
That is gumballs.
This is,
Let
There's
me
more.
get it to you.
There's more to be here.
This is deer antlers. Show how heavy that is.
This is.
Oh my gosh.
I have antlers.
Don't do that in mom season.
Don't break on the floor.
That's
The
just another one of those.
it's a smaller one.
What's is that from a
That's
baby?
This one
or-
doesn't have the name on it, so I don't know.
That
You
skin
can touch it
from a
real
snake
easy.
when they shed it.
Yeah.
They grow when they shed.
Look, there's a bat house up there too.
It's like a real bat in there. I found a bug house.
That's so pretty.
It's full of blue bugs like that one.
And after leaving the nature center, it was time to hit some trails. Nice little pavilion. Ella finding a caterpillar made her whole day. Watch her run over to show us. What is that? Oh, nice. Look. A picture? Okay, hang on. Oh, that's a nice playground. Oh, that parking over there. Got some picnic tables. After a quick walk, we stumbled upon these two playgrounds, and honestly, the kids were thrilled. I love that there is one for toddlers and one for older kids. Plus, they are right near the bathhouse and fishing pier, which makes it super convenient for families. Oh, you're fine.
We got a nice little boardwalk here. There's the fishing pier. It goes way out there, doesn't it?
There's the beach.
The beach here. Oh, it's a cute little boardwalk. I wonder how far down it goes. Oh, not too far. Look. Oh, the hotel's right there. You wouldn't even know it being over here in this little park area. Hotels on both sides. Nice little hidden spot here in Myrtle Beach. So we found the campground. There's pretty nice sights. They look like they have some bigger campers. They're all mixed together. They got the tents and the campers. They're not on top of each other campsites. We're gonna check out the bathhouse, see how that looks. Okay, so it's empty, so I can get a quick look through it. Actually, a pretty nice bathhouse. Everybody that camps, you know what I mean. It's climate control. It's small, but nice and clean. Everybody looks like they're enjoying themselves. I grew up camping, thought I would love to camp. It's not for me. Huh, honey?
No,
It's not for me. It's great if you have a mom who's coming and doing all the work and you get to enjoy life like I did as a child. When I became the mom and had to do all the work, not so much fun anymore. Because I'm the mom. I'll take a hotel room or an Airbnb. The concept of camping is nice. We have done it since we've been married. Had a camper for a little bit of time, but maybe one day we'll venture back out and do it again. They got beautiful campers. I will say that camping people are the best people in the world. Everybody walks by, has a smile, says good morning. We've seen plates from Nevada. Where else?
Nevada, Massachusetts.
So it doesn't matter what part of the world you live in, or the states. Doesn't matter what part of the state you live in. It's universal kindness with camping people. Now that's different. Look at that.
That's overland camping.
That's cool. This looks like a nice spot right here. And number 87. It's a nice big site with shade.
And a playground.
Full hookup. And a playground right behind it. Plus the ones Christine's kids were just playing on.
Now this is the shop. Yeah. Now you can't move.
Yeah, it's like what you got at the hotel.
So here's the store. It's got a little bit of everything. When I was camping as a little girl, this was the big thing right here. What ice creams do they have available? They don't have much, but it's early in the year.
Look at these cute little camping things. Oh, I like this one. This one's cute. Myrtle Beach. Oh, you gotta find all the birds.
Unwatch it. That didn't make noise.
I truly think it's my children's mission to always find the loudest toy they possibly can in any type of shop we go into. They got a nice little camp store. Thank you for sharing. Yeah, he's right here.
Be careful, buddy.
Look at that big old chicken, Ella.
We all have ice cream. this is a
Are y'all having a good trip so far?
yes.
What flavor did you get, Ella?
I got rainbow.
Wesley, what'd you get?
Ice.
Rainbow ice?
Chocolate candy.
Cotton candy, nice.
And this one is that one. Yeah.
Are you sure about that? Are you really sure?
Yeah.
You really want to change these answers?
Look at the leaves, real close.
You're totally correct right now. So see this leaf right
Yeah, I
here?
just kind of see it.
Yeah, see how the bloom's gonna come out right here?
Wait, this one is that one.
Nope.
No, it's this one. So you have, and I wasn't focused on leaves as much as what the flowers are gonna look like. So you can kind of see the leaves right here.
Wow.
And
What's
then
this
you
one?
got this right away, Ella. You mashed up the leaves with this. And so the next thing,
Is
the
this-
reason I picked some of these is one, they're vines. So our goal is,
is
because
this
I heard y'all
this
talking
one is
about
that
wanting to,
one.
yes it is. So this is, say, aster. Okay, this is an aster. Say maypop,
Maypop.
kind of a fun name.
That is-
And then this is a honeysuckle,
Honeysuckle.
but a native honeysuckle. So all these are native plants, so they're supposed to be here. And some of these are host plants. So like this one is my favorite. This is a host plant. So that what a host plant means is this beautiful orange butterfly called a Gulf fritillary. Say fritillary. Yeah, it's kind of orange like that, your shirt. And it's gonna land and it's gonna lay its eggs on this passion flower.
Oh.
And so the first thing we have to do is what? Shovel it. So we're just gonna use hands. And then Milan's next thing we want to do is we have to get them out of here. All right. So this one's gonna be harder to plant. I bought this plant for a long time. I don't know why nobody wanted to plant this plant.
I do.
I know, and I'm glad you do. So what are these called? Starts with an R.
Vine.
So yeah, so these are roots, and you guys know what roots are.
There you go.
Okay, that's good. Let's go to this side. Let's go get this honeysuckle, this coral honeysuckle.
It's the list of seashells you could find here.
All seashells once had an animal living inside of them.
Where are family? Go. Children. Yeah, lots of fun stuff in here. Oh, look. Now that's what he should have got. Those little Legos.
Yeah. I'd say 12 plus.
Yeah. Got little t-shirts over there for him. He got some sandals. Oh, I hear them. I heard them. Hi. We gotta get a magnet, guys. We gotta find a magnet. I want one that says State Park. See one that says State Park on it? Yes.
State Park?
That's a good one.
What's this? Like, hi, Mom.
Hi.
Oh, fallen tree. A beach. A beach.
Those are cute ones.
Ice cream.
Yeah, they got some ice cream.
Eat some ice
Whether you're an experienced angler or just fishing for fun, the pier makes it easy for families to spend the day on the water.
If you
I put in a quarter. See any? Can I see now, Wesley?
You didn't see? Before leaving Myrtle Beach State Park, we stopped back at the picnic tables near the playgrounds for a quick lunch. Then it was time to hit the road and head over to Huntington Beach State Park, a spot known for its alligator sightings. And a heads up, this was a good 30 minutes away. So now we are at the Huntington Beach State Park to go see some alligators on one of their trails that they have. I'll take y'all along to see how this goes. Got some tired kiddos.
My way.
You want to go out the trunk?
I wanna stay on the trail.
So we are taking the Kerrigan Nature Trail. At least that's what our map says. We're trying. And we're trying to see the Mullet Pond and the Mallard Pond. You can see that. Our first trail was beautiful, but unfortunately it was a bust when it came to alligator spotting. Thankfully, we weren't ready to give up just yet. We stopped for a quick restroom break and ended up finding this really nice playground.
Hi, Mommy.
What we got there? We got a bottle fountain, a water fountain, and a doggy fountain. Look at that.
How can you do it?
Oh, so when the human has to do it. See, there's a button right there. Y'all see them out there? Are they real? We sure? They're not the fake ones? Are you sure they're real? We finally spotted the alligators. But I have to be honest, I was convinced they were fake for the longest time because they were not moving at all. Then one of them closed his mouth and that's when we realized they were definitely real. What a full, beautiful day exploring Myrtle Beach State Park with a bonus at Huntington Beach State Park. From nature trails to playgrounds to the beach and even an unexpected alligator sighting. These parks truly have something for everyone and it made the perfect family adventure day. Thanks for spending your day with us. See you on the next Curly Q Family Adventure.